Alrighty, ALDI axe review for $20. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, we've got our ALDI axe there with our what looks like to be a belt loop, but don't know how practical that'll actually be. Has two methods of retention to keep in the sheath, but it does make it quite painful to get it out, as you can see. Quite sturdy, but on first look it does seem quite dull on the blade, and there is a little imperfection there, so probably will need to give it some TLC and really sharpen it up before proper use, but we'll just see how it goes today. First off, we'll use it in a camping capacity just to nail some stakes into the ground and see how we go. Yeah, it seemed to have worked quite well. We'll also use some nails and see how that goes into wood. I'll leave a picture up there so you can see from my perspective how it worked out. Yeah, it worked out quite well. Now for the moment of the truth, to see whether this dull blade will actually work. I'm going to edit this out and speed it up so you can get a bit more of an idea of how the finished product turns out. I'll put a picture in. There's a picture from how it turned out after a bit of editing, because it was quite dull as expected. But all in all, a really good axe for $20. Just need to sharpen that edge, and I think it would perform quite nicely.